What if I told you that you can start a six-figure business for less than $500? What is one problem that almost always needs to be solved? One that's easy to master, but makes a lot of money. Come here. Have you ever considered being a barber? If you have, in this video, I'm gonna give you everything you need to get started. The first thing you need is a winning mindset. The first thing I want you to understand though, is this wealth principle, that profits are better than wages. So what are profits? Profits basically means you pay for something, right? You make an investment, and then you end up getting back more than your original amount invested. Now you can invest time, you can invest money, but you always get back more than you put in, right? That is a profit. Versus a wage is somebody else gets the profit and they pay you a portion of it, right? You'll never get very far on strictly wages alone. Profits will make you a fortune, all right? So I want you to understand that first principle. What that means for you is you're gonna be able to create something and make money right from the get-go, right? You're not gonna have to wait 2 weeks for a paycheck or wait for somebody else to tell you when you're gonna get paid. You will get profits on hand as soon as you complete the service. Most people become barbers because they're attracted to the lifestyle, the flexibility, the freedom, I get to do what I want when I want, right? Now, I'm gonna be honest, that worked for me. That's what got me into it. I looked at the barbers as like they were the cool people. They went to lunch when they want, they didn't really answer to nobody. They stuffed profits in their pocket all day. I was like, yo, this looks like the lifestyle I want. If you can master this one skill, you can literally print money every time you flip on the clippers. The next thing we're gonna need is some tools. First thing you're gonna need is the wall magic clip. The second thing you're gonna need is the cocoa white trimmer. I love this trimmer because the blade already comes set, so it makes it easy for lineups. The third thing you're gonna need is a barber cape. The fourth thing you're gonna need is a pair of shears. The next thing you're gonna need is a comb. This is what we call an all-purpose comb. That means you can use it for mainly almost everything you're gonna do as a barber. And then you're gonna need a flat top comb, which is gonna help you with any clip over comb work. But all of that together is about $400, right? Once you do that, now you have your setup, right? You can get you a little light, something like that, maybe a little chair. You don't need to buy a barber chair. You can just use one of the little regular sit-in chairs for now, because we're just getting started. But you can get all of that stuff for about $400 to $500, no more than $500. So that's your basic tool setup kit. Now, you might say, well, Will, I don't have the money for that. Cool. You can go to the barbershop you already go to and ask one of the OG barbers in there. Say, hey man, you got any clippers that you don't use anymore? Barbers got like tons of clippers they don't use. They just collecting dust. I promise you, if you can sweep up hair that day, I guarantee you they'll probably give you one. So you can even cut your costs in half and get down to like $250. Get a couple combs, something like that. Something light work, especially if you're somebody in high school, somebody considering what you want to do as a career. Hey man, costs you very, very little and it can make you a whole lot. Now, the third thing you're gonna need is a strategy, right? So here's what I want you to do. We're gonna call this concept the free to fee, right? So what you're gonna do is go out into your neighborhood, right? And you're gonna talk to some of your friends or maybe even a neighbor and say, hey man, I'm really interested in becoming a barber. And would you mind if I practiced on you? It would be free, right? I just want to practice some concepts that I've learned recently. I'm super excited, man, but I need practice so I can develop my skill set, right? So you go out and you offer free all day, right? And you grow and you build that skill. Because here's the thing about free, right? Free is for me, to be totally honest, because you're gonna get an opportunity to learn every time you turn your clippers and your trimmers on, every time you comb some hair. All of that different stuff is gonna give you practice, which is what is needed, the repetition to build the skill set. Once you build the skill set, then that's where the fee part comes in, right? So go out in the neighborhood, friends, family, neighbors, right? We either went to the barber and got some, or we paid less than $500 to build our little starter kit. And now we're on our way to cutting some hair. And before you know it, when you start getting them first couple dollars, if you're like me, my first couple haircuts were free. And then guess what? People paid me $1 because I just told them they had to tip me because they kept on asking. What that did though was something very, very valuable. It gave me proof of concept that people would allow me to cut their hair. If you can go get that proof of concept, you're well on your way to making profits as a business. All right? So it's an amazing idea to think you can start a barber career for less than $500 and some effort, but it is possible. And if you're like me, over the course of time, you can scale from 0 to 6 figures, 7 figures, and beyond. So I'm rooting for you, and I want you to do this. So give it a shot and let me know how it goes. So if you try it out and you like it, and you really want to know what it takes to scale to 6 figures in less than 1 year, watch this video.